if you're not enjoying, how people can enjoy, you know what I mean? You need to take a rest and don't care about the views. They will come back. It's just numbers. You're doing something that, come on.
기억에 남을 만한 뷰입니다. 안녕하세요. 잘로. 여기도 뭐가 있나 본데? 오, 야, 여기 이렇게 불상이 누워있는. 이렇게 멋있는 길을 올라왔었네요. No! Hi guys. Yeah. Just 5 minutes left. I believe in you. Cheer up.
Thanks.
10분 남았. 아, 이 동네는 이 길들이 이뻐가지고 걷는 게 지루하지가 않아요. 비가 올래나? 비가 올래나 보다. 굿. 커피를 왜 거기서 먹어? 여기서 먹어야지. 옥수수 오믈렛.
Allora, stronzo, coglione, puttana, porca troia, porco dio, di merda.
तेरी माँ की चूत कुत्ते के बच्चों दादा मुझसे चूत चल निकल इधर से दिख मैं
English.
Bollocks.
Back up.
Korean.
머리에 피도 안 마르. 어디 어른 앞에서. In the fucking sky. And all that I can see. Lemon tree. Yay! Yay! 이렇게 세수하고 씻다 보면은 개구리도 한 마리씩 나옵니다. 씻어야 돼. 절로 가. 나가. Come in. 아이, 들어왔어? 예, 기래. 에이. 아이, 일로 와. 문신하고 싶어? 안 돼. 엄마가 싫어해. 우리 엄마도 싫대. 허접한데, 더 하면. 이렇게 이쁘게 잘 자라줘서 고마워. 알겠지? 어디가? 엄마. 뽀뽀는 안 돼. 할게. 영상에서 봐.
Yeah, the bus is 200. So can we just get to the side of the road? It comes in.
친구들이 같이 여행하자 그랬는데 가끔 혼자 있고 싶을 때가 있잖아요. 네. 따로 가기로 했습니다. 저만. 오, 코끼리가 그냥 코끼리 처음 보는 것 같아요. 이렇게 펜타지. Take care. 아, thank you.
You want crackers?
Take care.
1,500 rupees.
No.
How we are going?
2?
Yes.
1,200.
Yes.
Let's go. 이렇게 협상의 여지가 있어야 내가 따라가지. 바이바이. 숙소입니다. 막 수영장도 있고 스파도 있고 막 그렇더라고. 가격은 좀 나갑니다. 1박에. 숙소 분위기 보세요.
Area is now ends.
아,
Now rain season.
okay, no problem. I can sleep with them. No problem. 하나, bedroom, let's go.
Okay.
Sleep together.
No problem.
Okay, it's not gonna bite me.
No bite.
Okay.
No. Not dangerous.
Okay, no
Only.
problem. 아, 방 이름은 마음에 드네요. 야올라. 이쪽 정글 부근은 다 이렇게 모기장이 쳐져 있더라고. 와, 호텔 너무 깔끔한데? 정글 속에서 가격 대비 굉장히 좋은 것 같고, 이게 다가 아닙니다. 여기 레스토랑도 있어요. 레스토랑. 오케이.
For restaurant, this is for pool.
오케이. 여기 스페인 이렇게 음식도 있고 스리랑카 전통 푸드도 팝니다. 네. 아, 그리고 제가 여기 예약한 가장 큰 이유죠. 여기 이렇게 썬베드 있고 여기 이렇게 해먹도 있고 저한테는 천국입니다. 아, 수영이 너무 하고 싶었어 진짜. 아마 단기 여행하시는 분들은 공감하실 거예요. 이런 시간이 좀 필요하다는 거. 아, 너무 좋다. 봅시다. 밥 먹으러. 아, 바람 좋다. 헬로. 안녕. 어머니는? 아, 여기 계시구나.
This is my daughter and son.
아, very beautiful.
Thank you.
She's beautiful. Same face.
Same face.
예.
This part the same.
아, 오케이. Very good. 여기 준비해 주셨네. 와, 이거 뭐야? 와, 플레이팅이 이게 데빌스 치킨이라고 시켰는데 훌랄라 치킨 냄새 나는데 훌랄라? 아, 씨. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
You want a chicken? No? 부끄러워? Shy girl. 오, 유리 빨대. 닭이 좀 어린 닭인 것 같아. 네. 이 치킨은 훌랄라랑 지코바 그 중간 어디쯤인데 간장 베이스로 만든 거예요. 간장. 이렇게. 당신이 못 먹는 분들도 그냥 먹을 수 있는 정도? 여기 지금 가족한테 물어보니까 한 5개, 6개 정도 되는 것 같은데 동이 오늘 저 혼자입니다. 예, 아무도 예약은 안 했대요. 지금 비수기이기도 하고 잠시 사람들을 피해서 혼자 있고 싶어서 여기 왔잖아요. 아까 가족들 분위기 보셨죠? 와서 한 것도 없는데 그냥 힐링이 돼요. 여행하면서 가끔 이런 시간 갖도록 하겠습니다. 예, 저를 위해서. 스리랑카도 손으로 먹기 때문에 이렇게 손 닦는 물컵을 따로 줍니다. 예. Finished. Very good. Thank you.
Welcome.
제가 지금 여기 혼자 지내고 있었잖아요. 지금 이틀 차인데 여기 손님이 한 명 왔습니다. 이란에서 온 여자인데 제가 지금 약간 몸살 감기 기운이 있어가지고 제 목소리 보더니 아프냐고 그래가지고 아프다고.
I mean, this is your last two, but
Okay.
the thing is, take only one for now because I feel like it's a bit
Okay.
too strong, maybe.
Thank you. See you.
Welcome, see you.
See you. Bye bye. Good night. 아, 제가 지금 여행하면서 감기를 처음 걸리는데 개도 안 걸리는 여름 감기를 또 정글에서. 아, 오늘 하늘 좋다. 와우. 오 마이 갓. 여기 와서 한번 먹었었는데 인도네시아 발리 우붓 느낌 나는 곳이에요. 예. 니판 형님들 계시네. Hey, very good. How are you? How are you? Good. 가자. Hello, brother. Hello, brother. How are you? Very good.
It's too loud here, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. And no other side, no inside. Thank you. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Cheers.
Well, cheers.
Wow. So good.
So fresh.
So good.
Really good.
You
Thank
made
you.
it? Yes. Wow. Here is better, yeah. 음악이 너무 시끄러워서. From Iran
Yeah.
and you live in Paris.
Yes.
How's the life in Paris going?
At first it was fun, then it got super hard because I studied in a fashion school and it was horrible. It was just super tough. People were super racist.
Even for you?
Yeah, I'm not European. I'm not French. Like they were like checking their work more. They were like really guiding them through all the process, you know, more than any of the other people, other nationalities.
What the fuck?
I was really fucked up.
But you graduated.
I graduated.
You made it.
I made it.
What the
32 when we started, and only 11 people graduated. Everyone dropped out.
Proud of
everyone-
yourself.
I am. And then I started working a bit, and I was like, okay, fashion industry is just so toxic. It's not for me. I don't want to spend my life like that.
So what do you for living exactly?
And then after I changed my major and I went to do my master's in digital marketing.
That's
Digital
why
marketing.
you can working and traveling at the same time.
Exactly. Yeah.
This is not first time talking about this in front of fucking camera.
Okay.
But yeah.
Okay.
That's why I'm caramel. I work Cara Factory and I
That's
spend.
such a cool story, though.
I love myself.
That's nice. That's amazing. The most important part.
Yeah. You don't shy with my camera, right?
No, that's weird, though, right?
Yeah,
know.
because every people like.
Because I work with a lot of creators and influencers. That's why I think it's like, okay, you know, because it's kind of like a documentary, you know? I mean, it's not like you're posing or like.
No.
Do this,
It's like
do
you can
that.
do freely. In my content, you can do it whatever you want. But
Okay.
don't talk about your government. Except for that, you can do everything. What brings you come here, like Sri Lanka?
Very good question. So basically, because I'm Iranian, I need visa everywhere I need to go. So like honestly, I cannot wait. I need to go somewhere as fast as I can. And I realized that okay, Sri Lanka, I can have visa like arrival visa.
Oh,
I don't need to apply before.
like $60.
Yeah, exactly. Like honestly, like if you go, it's super safe. You don't have any problem. Like
It is safe
it is
country.
safe. Honestly,
Yeah.
it is safe.
Like a chilling version of India.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. You've never been in India, but
No.
you saw some video in social media or something, right?
Yeah. But here I didn't feel weird.
No.
Honestly,
Here's
I
the
didn't
people.
feel-
Look at the people. People nice.
People are
Like
super nice.
hospitality.
yeah.
They're like always smiling,
Always
welcoming.
smiling. Honestly, I didn't feel weird at all. But I think India would be different. Like
Yeah.
India, I need to go
Yeah.
with a group of people or.
In my experience, India was great, but I mean there are some accidents before,
Yeah.
so I couldn't say India is safe.
No.
It for me was amazing country.
But I mean, every experience is different. Female and male experience is completely different as well. So. Oh wow.
Ah, just put it in the middle. Wow. Wow. Pork? Thank you.
Oh, this is so cute.
Thank you. 이게 돼지 바베큐고 새우 가지 바베큐입니다.
Looks amazing.
Amazing. I told you. yum. 저는 대가리까지 먹습니다. 와,
Good.
버터. 이거 보세요. 이게 맛이 없을 수가 있겠냐고.
Can I have a piece? Oh, thank
A
you.
little bit chewy. But I mean, still good. Yeah?
Really good. which part of your travels are mostly people are interested in? Like food or
Meeting people.
tips? Meeting people, really?
You show me, like, I always like,
Yeah, like make new friends and stuff like that
yeah.
when they're traveling. And
Good cheers.
cheers! So you don't take any classes? You just start like speaking like,
Yep.
oh, that's nice
Because I love people. I always try to speak with someone.
to connect
I
and
think- I think that's why.
that's cool. Yeah.
I mean, my English is not that perfect. But, and what's your aim when you're traveling?
Good question. Meeting people.
Same.
Honestly, I met so many cool people when I'm traveling,
Me too.
and it's so fulfilling. Just new people talking, hearing their stories. It's just amazing.
Welcome to heaven. Thank you. You're on the right way.
Perfect.
You will love it.
You're filming also?
Yeah, I'm YouTuber.
I'm doing Twitch.
You
live
were?
stream.
Really?
Hi guys. Nice to meet you. I'm Cameron from South Korea.
Okay, nice to meet
Subscribe
you.
me.
Holy crap, I'm in two at once. I'm so famous right now. You can type it. It's cool.
See you around. They're cool. See, I love people.
That's good.
Oh, they're coming. New customer.
I mean, they better give us like a good price here because we are like inviting everyone to come here and enjoy.
Come. Why you're confusing right now? Just come. They're coming. Hello. Hey. Because in Sri Lanka, if they come in this restaurant, it means rich.
Videos. So if you're not enjoying how people can enjoy you doing this stuff, you know what I mean? What's the point? You have to make a pause for
Pause.
like, yeah, for like
Like
1
stop.
month. Stop what you're doing, anything, even traveling, because now you have like a creative block, you know what I mean? That's, you are like in a vicious cycle, you know? It's like, you know, it's like a hamster that's going around, and then after you have to take your time, and then you have to brainstorm ideas, creativity, everything will come, and it's just gonna be amazing. I'm very
Thank you
smart.
for
You
advice.
have to listen to me.
The views are getting lower recently.
You need to take a rest and don't care about the views. They will come back. It's just numbers. You're doing something that, come on. You have to have a perspective of your goal is much bigger than numbers.
제가 사실 요새 조금 우울해 있고 피폐해져 있었거든요. 자꾸 조회수 생각하게 되고 제가 즐기던 여행을 못 즐기게 되는 순간이 있더라고요. At the beginning of my journey, I was super enjoying my traveling. But nowadays, if I don't want to go somewhere, I go there and film because for the views.
But that's the thing, your viewers will understand this. They will understand that you are not really enjoying your time. That's why your views are going down. Because you are not really there. You're not really focused. You're just going for the sake of it. And honestly, people understand. They can feel it.
Okay, can you pay?
Yeah, but
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, your daughter?
Yeah.
Nice, lovely.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. 또 봐요.
thank you so much.
We'll see you again.
Yes.
Yeah. Hi guys. This is Harry. I came from South Korea. Okay, see you tomorrow. She's lovely. Enjoy your meal. See you in the evening. Bye bye.
Sir,
Hmm?
you want dinner?
Devil chicken and watermelon juice. And don't call me sir.
Ah,
I'm not your sir, yeah.
no.
They used to say to customer, but for me it's kind of weird. Don't call me sir, okay? You can call me Harry.
No.
Why? Please. 아, 이분들이 항상 그래왔던 건 알지만 저는 못 듣겠더라고. 저는 이랬던 적이 없고, 예, 앞으로도 없을 것 같긴 한데. Yo. What up? Let's go. There we go. How do you feel so far?
I mean, it was the first time I saw elephants, so I'm pretty good now.
See something? 이 친구는 상아가 있네요, 상아.
Oopsie, that we ruined the moment.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Amazing.
야무! Thank you. Alright. Let's do it. 아, 풍경 보세요, 풍경. 정글 한가운데를. 파랑새도 한 마리. 뭐 먹는다. She's eating. 물도 보면은 바닥이 보일 정도로 맑습니다. 야무. 예스. 아, 여기서 정모하네, 정모. 아, 여기도 장관이다. 뭐 만드실라나 보다. 한두 번 해본 솜씨가 아닌데. 야, 아, 목걸이. Very good. For me, sir? Ah, good? Okay. 오, 나는 모자인가? Thank you, sir.
Oops. Oh wow, we're going so fast.
I'm doing good, eh?
Yeah.
야, 숟가락도 이렇게 줘요. Thank you. Guys, you feel good? 아유, 좋다.
Oh, 좋다.
아유, 좋다.
Sorry.
No problem.
3, 2, 1, go. Ah, 4 seconds.
4. Hey!
3.5. 1, 2, 3. Like 1 second faster.
Okay. $40.
And then you can do it everywhere you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
But it's not
Fancy car.
Okay, it was
Nice
nice seeing
meeting
you. So hope to see you soon somewhere.
All the
And
best.
let me know when you're in Paris.
Okay.
Yeah, have fun.
All the best. You
Bye-bye.
too.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Enjoy.
Bye bye. 야, 회사에서 이런 차도 나오고 좋은 직업이야. 좋은 직업이야. 갈게. 응?
Son to daughter.
No problem.
Don't forget, okay?
Don't forget?
Yeah, it's family. Don't
Ah,
forget.
okay. Of course.
Yes.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. But don't forget me, okay?
Yes.
떠나기가 좀 그러네. Bye. 야무. 정말 이 정글 속에 있는 평화로운 숙소에서 정말 잘 쉬다 갑니다. 숙소에서 또 우연찮게 네오라는 친구 만나서 깊은 얘기도 많이 했고 뭐 여러 가지로 진짜 재충전할 수 있었던 그런 여행이었던 것 같아요. 스리랑카 여행은 한 2주 정도 더 할 생각이고 저는 이제 스리랑카 북부로 넘어갑니다. 오늘도 짧지 않은 제 영상 끝까지 시청해주셔서 감사드리고 함께 해주셔서 감사합니다. 야무? 야무. Drink a Mali, yeah. Yeah, okay.
Not many people will see.